Good Thursday morning, everyone. Meteorologist Michelle Muscatello here. What a dreary and gloomy start to our day today. Fortunately, there's not a whole lot of improvement. We will stay with overcast skies, the mist and the drizzle most prevalent in the morning hours. We can see us stuck in the clouds and the cool temperatures throughout the day today. In fact, hovering right around the upper 30s and low 40s during the afternoon hours. Well, the good news is that that winter weather advisory was dropped. We've had a couple of isolated icy patches early this morning, but for the most part our temperatures stayed just slightly above freezing in most locations. Not the case if you're traveling today. Areas of central and northern Massachusetts with some decent ice accumulation, so be careful up that way. All right, 11 o'clock tonight. Well, not much change in the temperature during the night. We'll hover close to 40. Here's what we're looking at. Low pressure moving by today, and then an approaching cold front will bring some showers through at least tomorrow morning. Behind that front, the cold air returns for your weekend. Check out these temperatures. So this is at 2 o'clock this afternoon, running just a little bit warmer than normal, but another big surge in temperatures just in time for your Friday afternoon. Out ahead of that cold front, you can see we're in the 50s for highs, even possibly some spots close to 60. You do have to deal with a few showers in the morning and midday hours, then the sky's clearing out. Winds will pick up, temperatures will start to drop later Friday afternoon and Friday night. We'll be waking up on Saturday morning to that chilly air, 23 degrees and afternoon highs in the lower 30s Saturday, a windy day with wind chills mostly in the teens to around 20 all the way through the afternoon. Another cool day on Sunday, highs into the middle 30s, but with the lighter winds will make it the more comfortable half of the weekend. Looking ahead to early next week, dry Monday, but in the midweek time, storm system worth watching. It's all going to be track dependent, but there could be some wintry weather with it, so we'll keep you updated on this very early take on where those areas of low pressure could be by Wednesday morning. Stay right here, WPRI.com, for updates throughout the day today. Have a great Thursday.